Madam Speaker, this Makeckie, when he began his fake charge, issues were raised about his conduct. It was very easy for the government of Kenya at that time to just uproot him. But we allowed this man to germinate into a very huge tree that we are struggling to cut today. Madam Speaker, it's not just this Makeckie. We have got very many things that begin as small things. Even as we speak today, the same way the government of Kenya tolerated this Makeckie is the same way we are tolerating people who are engaging in urban banditry, economic sabotage, and anarchists, Madam Speaker. That from today, I want to advise the IG, I want to advise the Minister in charge of Interior that they should only communicate to Kenyans through a charge sheet insofar as this matter is concerned, insofar as even those other people who engage in anarchy are concerned. The same way we tolerated this Makeckie, we are also tolerating Raila and Uhuru Kenyatta. These are the anarchists. They should be arrested before they germinate into a very huge tree that will terrorize this country. I support, Madam Speaker.